Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, and join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
France has started the withdrawal of its military from Chad. With the departure of 2 warplanes that were based in the capital N'Djamena, the French army said, 2 weeks after Chad said it was ending its defense cooperation pact with Paris. In a surprise move, the government of Chad, an ally of the West in the fight against Islamist militants in the region, ended the defense cooperation pact on November 28. Terms and conditions of the withdrawal and whether any French troops will remain in the Central African country altogether have yet been agreed. But on Tuesday, the first Mirage warplanes returned to their base in eastern France. It marks the beginning of the return of French equipment stationed in N'Djamena. Army spokesperson Colonel Guillaume Vernet said after 2 Mirage fighter jets left Chad, France has already pulled its soldiers out of Mali, Burkina Faso and Niger following military coups in those West African countries and spreading anti-French sentiment. The departure from Chad will end decades of French military presence in the Sahel region and ends direct French military operations against Islamist militants there. France still has about 1,000 troops in Chad. Vernet set a calendar to draw down. Its operations would still take several weeks for the 2 countries to finalize. There were no indications Paris received advance notice of Chad's decision to end its defense cooperation, although a French envoy to President Emmanuel Macron delivered a report last month containing proposals on how France could reduce its military presence in Chad, Gabon and Ivory Coast. Chad announced Thursday that it was ending military cooperation with former colonial power France, just hours after a visit by French Foreign Minister Jean-Noël Barrot. The government of the Republic of Chad informs the national and international opinion of its decision to end the accord in the field of defense signed with the French Republic. Foreign Minister Abderrahmane Koulamala said in a statement on Facebook, Chad is a key link in France's military presence in Africa, constituting Paris's last foothold in the Sahel after the forced withdrawal of its troops from Mali, Burkina Faso and Niger. This is not a break with France like Niger or elsewhere. Koulamala, whose country still hosts around 1,000 French troops, told AFP at a press briefing after a meeting between President Mohamed Idriss Déby and Barrot. Koulamala called France an essential partner, but added it must now also consider that Chad has grown up, matured and is a sovereign state that is very jealous of its sovereignty. Barrot, who arrived in Ethiopia on Thursday evening, could not immediately be reached for comment. Chad is the last Sahel country to host French troops. It has been led by Déby since 2021. When his father, Idriss Déby Itno, was killed by rebels after 30 years in power. The elder Déby frequently relied on French military support to fend off rebel offensive of French troops. The announcement comes just days after Senegal's President Bassirou Diomaye Faye indicated in an interview with AFP that France should close its military bases in that country. Senegal is an independent country. It is a sovereign country, and sovereignty does not accept the presence of military bases in a sovereign country, Faye told AFP on Thursday.